Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says a comprehensive strategy is being put in place to address rising crime in several parishes. His comments came at an anti-crime meeting in St. Elizabeth on Friday, where a spate of robberies has increased concerns. TVJ's Krista Campbell has details.
The National Security Minister, Police Commissioner, and the Divisional Commander for the St. Elizabeth Police, all under pressure from Junction residents to urgently address crime in the area. Robberies in particular, which have been on the rise in recent months, not only in St. Elizabeth, but also the neighbouring parishes of Manchester and Clarendon. More police have been deployed to Junction in response to the recent armed robberies of 2 supermarkets, a remittance shop and a pharmacy. But residents and business people want more.
There have been times when calls have been placed to the stations, to which the response is, there is no vehicle as it is attending another report, or there is no vehicle at all. However, in the event of a dance in the area, the Hilux is always present with officers armed with M16s ready to shut down these parties.
There is so much that takes place at these events. For instance, shots are fired, persons are tight-lipped about it. We don't know if these are the same guns that are being used to commit criminal acts in our space.
Businesswoman Shakira Simpson is also suggesting a similar legislation to what exists in other countries like the US.
Legislation is in place to claim vehicles that are seized in illegal operations, and after convictions, these are then utilized in the force. How far-fetched is it that the government can take initiative and try to alleviate the current vehicle problems we face by doing so?
The National Security Minister says additional resources are being allocated to the force. Meanwhile, Commander Superintendent Catherine Lloyd insists that for all the shortcomings within the force, the St. Elizabeth Police have been making a dent in major crimes.
When the robbery occurred on Wednesday, a team was over in Nain carrying out major operations. 4 weeks ago, Commissioner, we recovered 273 rounds of assorted ammunition just over in Nain, next door to here.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.